Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday. It's 9/19/19. It's the last palindrome day of the year. In math, we've got practice 1.4b. That is online. Make sure that you're using your notes for that and that you're also showing all work on a separate sheet of paper. In science, we need a review for our metric quiz tomorrow. There was an optional review sheet that is something that you can go through and do. Make sure you're looking over all of your notes. In social studies, we need to study/practice our map skills. We're going to have a map skills quiz tomorrow. Go back and look at all of your bell works that we've done over the last week or so. A lot of the questions from that will more than likely make up our quiz tomorrow. In language arts, we need to review our study guide. You can do that by clicking this link here. All right. For Friday's quiz, and you need to also bring earbuds. Those are optional because tomorrow we are going to have a Free Write Friday after our quiz. And in literature, we need to read 30 minutes. Outside of that, in CNL, we need to finish our career pathways and our vocabulary definitions. That's it for this Thursday. Hopefully, you guys have a wonderful evening.